Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove the background of a picture and just has a result like this. So we don't need a professional graphic editing software like Photoshop. We just use Word to do that. It is very simple. Let me show you how to do that. So you insert when you open Office Word, Microsoft Office Word, you go to Insert, Picture, then select Picture. Then you double click the picture, it will bring you Format menu. At the Format menu, there is a Remove Background. Click that. Then you will see the select area. If it is original color, that means this area will be left for you. But you want the dress or the dress show up, you just need to adjust the select area a little bit. See, in this case, everything with the pink color will be removed. Then you just need to click Keep Change. So that's it. Very simple.